So today I want to show you how I achieved this simple packing style for my fine hair. No weaving, no crochet, just simple. You can achieve this style in less than 5 minutes. So if you want to see how I achieve this, can you see? Make sure you watch this video to the end. So first thing I will do, my hair is a little bit dry, so I'll use leave-in conditioner on it. Then I will add my oil moisturizer to it. The next thing I will do is add oil my scalp using coconut oil. So I'm oiling my scalp to make sure that it's clean and it's not too dry. So ensuring that my scalp that comb it. Make sure it's well detangled. So I'll be using this Expression Collection crochet braid, and this is it. So I've packed my hair into two, so some in front, some at the back. So for the one at the back, I'm just going to comb it together. No gel, no glue, nothing on it. So just the hair. I'm going to use this to hold it. So this is it. So after that, I'm going to combine this together. I'm going to add another one to it to make it 3, so that I can get the volume I want from it. So I have 3 here. So this, I'll use this band to hold the head. So the remaining, I'll use it to hold my hair at the back. So you have this. So I'm going to wrap this round. Wrap it around my hair. Sorry, I have kata. So this, wrap it around. Wrap it around my head and use my pin to hold it down. This is the back. Simple and nice. Then back to the front. I'm just going to do the same thing. So I'm going to be using this too for the front. So I'm doing it like this and then twist it together. Like this, twist it together. Take one, make sure it covers your hair, and take it round. So I'll use my pin to hold it. Make sure it is well secured. So then this will go to this side. Everything is well secured. Secure it up properly, and yeah, this is it. To secure every other part that looks huge or that is not well laid. So this is what it looks like. You can decide to use gel, edge control, or whatever on your own, but I just prefer my own like this, looking all natural. No gel, no glue, easy packing, and you can carry this for at least 1 week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification button, give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye.